Pleasant Goat Fun Class. Animals and Plants. Dr. Woodpecker. Who is it? Huh? Who is it? Huh? I knew it was you! You're the one who's been knocking on my door to mess with me, aren't you?
Huh? I haven't even touched the door yet.
That's the same knocking I heard earlier. Oh, I know that sound. It's a woodpecker.
A woodpecker?
There it is! There's the woodpecker! What? It pecked a hole through the tree! Bad bird! Bad bird! I'm not going to let you hurt the tree! Wait! No, that's not true! The woodpecker isn't hurting the tree. You see, this gets rid of the pests, and that helps the tree. The woodpecker pecks at the tree to make all that noise. The pests don't like it, so they come out. And that way, they're caught. The woodpecker has them now. I had no idea Mr. Woodpecker was good.
Thanks for the explanation. Now excuse me. I'm going to take a picture of it. Huh? Curl your tail up so you look more lively, please. Like this, you see?
But, Wolfie, a woodpecker can't put up its tail like that. A woodpecker uses both its sharp claws and its angled-down tail to keep its balance. If it can't hold its tail down, it won't be able to stand on the tree to catch the pests.
But it doesn't look as pretty when it has its tail down like that. Okay, it looks good. I was wrong.
Huh? Oh?
What?
That's because he's not done eating. You should wait for him to finish first. It has a really tiny body. I thought he would get full real quick. This small bird has a bigger appetite than you do.
Huh? That doesn't make any sense.
Let's see how you compare. One woodpecker can consume as much as 900 worms or even 1,000 ants easily in a single meal. A lone woodpecker is able to protect a very large area of the forest this way. Let me take the picture. I feel really dizzy.
The woodpecker doesn't get dizzy. How does he do it?
That's because the woodpecker's skull is built especially for this. It can absorb the vibration just like a safety helmet. Based on this, scientists were able to design hats and helmets for us to wear while working.
I wish I had a helmet to help me right now. The trees are getting sick because of all the pests. Please, Mr. Woodpecker, save them. I can help the trees too. You? Because I have this can of extra strength pesticide. I told you I can help save the trees.
But Wolfie, you've polluted the air all around us. The woodpecker is still the best at helping protect the trees from pests.
Me nature always provides us the best way.
I'm so sorry for hurting you guys. Protect the environment. Take care of the woodpeckers. Hope you can remember that, kids. We'll see you all again next time.